from Indonesia.
Wow, I have met some people recently. They are also from Indonesia, and
Mm-hmm.
Indonesia is a great country because I have been talking with Indonesian people for a long days. Probably it's been more than a years. I have met so many Indonesian people, and I have thought
Thank
on
you.
things that the Indonesian people is very willing to practice their English language. Whenever I go, beside episode and as well some other English learning platforms, I have met so many Indonesian people, and some students also told me that if you can practice your English language in schools, probably your teacher is going to punish you. So it's very mandatory and essential for students to practice English language in their school time. So is it true?
Which, what do you mean is true? Which cases?
In cases, some students in Indonesia, they told me that if you don't practice English language during your school time, your teacher is going to punish you. They will surely punish you. So it's mandatory to practice and speak English language with your friends and your teachers during school time. It's mandatory. You have to speak in English language with your teachers in school time. Is it true or you didn't heard about that topics?
I don't think so actually, because like I'm growing up in this school that our teacher not. I mean, it's not like the punishment to because we are not practicing, but like kind of like the I don't know how to say it. I don't know from your uh, how do I say it? Okay, like for example, in my cases, uh, when I was kindergarten and
Yeah.
until senior high school, I have like English courses like that's in the curriculum, and it's you were right. You mentioned that it's mandatory, but the things it's not about the practicing or something like that you mentioned and punishment, but we learning depend on the school. Actually, I don't think so. Only in Indonesia, but also every country who has the who have the curriculum probably will do the same. Not only in Indonesia. I don't know which part of Indonesia the people that you met before, but in my cases, like the normal school that teach the language, not only the language actually, but also all the lesson.
Yes, absolutely. So, which level do you study currently, or have you graduated from your university?
For me, currently I do study in my master degree, and I'm in my final year of my master, and that's it.
Wow, that's good. So, are you